Come on, what are you doing? Let's go. We're gonna go have breakfast with your mommy and daddy. Let's go. Come on.
The power of our cats.
Early. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? You need a vacuum. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey, where are you going?
Did you hear her last night?
No.
She flipped that whole thing over. Food everywhere. Midnight.
The food holder?
Yes.
That thing's pretty heavy.
Well, good to know that if someone breaks into the house and it makes a big, large crash, you're not going to wake up.
Yep.
Awesome.
I know how to sleep. I sleep really good. I'm a pro, baby. Oh, I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. How does it feel? How does it feel? It feels good for me. How does it feel for you?
It feels awesome, because that means you're going to clean the house.
If she's good, we'll see. Maybe a couple more arm burners.
Yeah, maybe, You gonna get it, Puck? You gonna get it? Oh, you're not interested anymore? They're coming! I didn't read it.
Favorite place to celebrate a victory after life again. Waiting to go to the party next year. I'll be old enough.
They do come up there.
That's nice. Huh?
They do come up there, some of them.
Well, no.
No, this is the
Oh, fan?
Yeah. Favorite place to celebrate. Waiting for the party next.
I'll be old enough next year.
They're coming.
Tampa Bay Lightning!
So what backup did they bring up?
Desjardins.
Look, Sally, you're almost bigger than him.
Oh, watch.
You're not going to miss the game.
Did you turn it back off?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it broke again. That would suck. Sam? No.
I just want to take the debris and shave his head.
No way.
I hate that hair.
Entertainers, and we stupid. Entertainers.